ice solid.
Here. Slide down here.
You ain't gonna slide down.
Yeah.
Where? Oh, you mean the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Check it out. Look at this. Step on the grass.
Hey, take a picture of me. Hey, my sled. Come here.
Alright, no, slide down.
Okay. Alright.
Get on it.
Whoa. Why am I doing this? See, Quinn, you need to do it.
Alright. Alright.
Here, take a picture of you.
No, it's on film.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You're filming, alright. Alright, my dear. Turn the other way.
Oh, you got it upside down.
There you go.
And if you'll do it this way, look.
No, it doesn't matter. Just have to jump on.
It does matter.
It does?
Yes.
Alright, we'll just jump on.
Alright. Are you on it? Okay.
He's gonna push him. Oh my God. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Flip it the other way. No.
I think you need to do it the other way. What's happening, his butt is going all the way through it. Hop up and come back up the hill.
Yeah,
Let's try
just-
it a different way.
Yeah.
You have to sit on the top part. That's what's going on. As a matter of fact,
All right,
you'd probably be better off doing this.
Yo, I'm on film here.
Okay, here you go. Do it like that. Give it a try. Sit up. You have to sit on this part.
Just sit wherever you... There you go.
There you go.
All right, my man, go. Let it go, let it go. No, let it go. Just
I can't.
You can't? All right, there. I'm going to turn it off. All right.
Try it again. Get in the middle. Get more on this side.
All right.
Get over here.
Yeah, because it kind of goes down that way.
Yeah, I know. That's what we're going to start on this side.
So wait, wait, I got stuck.
All right, guys, come on.
Okay, go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
He's too heavy.
He's too heavy, maybe, yeah. There we go. Well, how come I can go? Here, let me try it again.
You're a lot lighter.
Let me try it again. Well, isn't that something? All right, I need to eat more chocolate, more beef.
All right, check this out. Check this out. This looks like snow. It ice. Solid ice. Solid ice. Look at that. I'm a snowman. I made this yesterday, and all this covered it up. It's like a real good snowman. Yesterday, and oh, didn't think that would happen. Yeah. This frozen salmon. Gotta pull it out. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, what'd you do? It's like an ice pick.
Yeah. Oh, let's see if I can use it as an ice pick. Yeah, I can. What? Okay. hill. Bring it hill. The sidewalk isn't that bad. Oh, never mind.
Hey, this is what you gotta. Okay.
Oh,
go
whoa,
on,
whoa,
go
whoa.
on that and back.
Look at that. Look at that.
That's right. You'll slide right down there.
Wee.
You slide right down there. Look. Go wee.
Let me get on the grass. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right, here we go.
Now you're gonna go straight into the brick. So. All right.
Try this way.
You got it. You got. It doesn't matter, Quinn. Just sit on it, buddy. Isn't that fun? Oh.
Let's try it here.
Now you're gonna be slick as you know what. Oh, we're on low battery. Okay,
Turn it off.
turn it off.
Press the button.
Wait,
Press
wait.
the stop recording button.